Sean, one of my drivers, is on his way back here from Shreveport, Louisiana, with a 93 or 4 Dodge Cummins pickup truck. And I'm pretty stoked about it because I got a pretty good idea. And I found this truck in Shreveport on the old interwebs. And it is beat to hell, but it runs and drives, and I don't care because all I want is the motor. Maybe the tranny, but probably just the motor. Oh, what a piece of shit it is. Woo! Look at those rims. How was the drive?
This is like Groundhog's Day, bro.
What does that mean?
It means that you sent me to get something in the middle of nowhere, Louisiana this time, for something that looks like it was in a demolition derby.
Dude, this truck's fine, dude. Does it run?
Oh, it runs and drives. That's the awesome part. It's diesel.
That's all I need. It only takes one wire to fire it up.
12 valve.
There you go.
This is what everybody sought after.
It's pretty.
It's log bed and it's full of trash though.
Why is it full of trash?
I don't know.
Well, didn't you let most of it blow out on the way here?
I didn't get up there and look yet.
Oh, it's got a bunch of junk in here.
I think there's at least $20 worth of cans.
At least.
Cans.
Golly, somebody likes their soda. Oh well. All right, all I needed is to make sure that it runs and drives the way it's supposed to run and drive.
Well, help me explain to me what you're doing here. Like this, there's got to be a rhyme or reason. You're just gonna put this one up for sale?
I just wanted the motor. We paid less for the truck than the motor's worth.
Explain.
Remember my little blue baby?
Vaguely.
Okay, so imagine little blue baby slammed on some big meat and big wheels and tires and big brakes with our 12 valve in it.
Okay.
So I've got one owner, basically rust-free, super badass, single cab short bed Ram. I think it's an 87.
So then this would basically be a unicorn.
If you want to call it a unicorn, I'm going to call it a kick-ass sea bass.
A unicorn means it didn't exist. It doesn't exist.
Well, that's pretty much what we do here at Gas Monkeys. We build things that didn't exist. So we take that big giant piece of shit, take the motor out of it, put it in this primo little short bed, and we got us a super fast, badass little short bed, single cab, and then we just throw the rest away. Tell you what, you can have the carcass of the truck when I'm done with it over there.
No, I think actually I might have a buyer already for you.
What do you mean?
I almost want it. My first car was a 87 Dodge.
Okay.
I'm a diesel guy.
All right. You might be the ass for the seat. That's fine with me, but I got to build it first. And then it's going to be costly. You know that because Gas Monkey ain't cheap.
Well, what if I buy pre-built?
Before it's built?
Yeah. It's like
So now you're going to, wait a second. There'd be a price for this truck. There'd be a price for that truck. And then there'd be a price for the brainy idea that I had. I'd have to charge you for my creation. Intellectual property, a little IP there. That's what I'm talking about.
I don't know, man. I dig it.
Dude, I only snagged that up because it came up cheap and it's got the right motor. So I don't really have time to build this yet. So you tell me. I think you were even here when I bought this.
Dude, I've slept since then. I've drank since then.
As long as you weren't doing it while you were driving my truck.
Of course not. Why would I?
What did I pay for that? $3 grand?
I don't know.
Well, I sent you to get it. You paid the guy.
I had him count it, and he said okay.
All right.
So let's go with $3 grand. So where are we at then? So if you're at 3 on that.
Well, you were here when I bought this, so selective memory, you'll remember that I gave $800 for it, plus maybe a couple $100 for delivery, so 1,000, and that's 3. That makes 4,000. 7,500.
Are you smoking crack?
No, I gave that up a long time ago. Actually, I've never done it. Don't do drugs, kids.
No, 6,000.
And I don't have to touch them. You'll just take them across the street to your shop.
Yes.
That's tempting. That's 50% on my money.
No.
Damn it, I wanted to build it.
Well, you can build it still. It's still yours.
Yeah, but if I build it, I'll get like 60,000.
There's that.
You got 4,000 on you?
I got 500.
Well, that's a down payment. Now, I know you're good for it. Come on, how about 6,000?
That's where we're at.
I mean, 7,500.
No, you just said 6.
I said 7,500.
You said 6.
All right, done. You take these 2 pieces of shit over to your place. Look at that, kids. Just made $2,000 on my $4,000 investment.
Well, here's the one part you did miss out, that I still am gonna invoice you for transport.
No, you don't have to invoice me. You own them. That's your truck now.
Can I pay one of the guys to take the trash out at least?
Nope.
Can I go inside and have a beer and say this was a drunk buy?
Hey, it's fine with me. Worked out for me. I'll even pay for the beer. I'm $2,000 up on a $4,000 investment on trucks I didn't even have to go get. Both of them got delivered here. Who the hell's the smart guy now?
Well, at least it runs and drives. That's a change.